So here is we have to understand what is matrix. So the basic concept on matrix, a matrix is a two-dimensional array of numbers. Generally, matrices are represented by an uppercase bold letter such as capital A. Since a matrix is two-dimensional, each element is represented by a small letter with two indices such as Aij, where I and J are two indices, where I represents the row and J represents the column. Go to next slide. Matrices are commonly written in the box bracket or first bracket within first bracket. The horizontal and vertical lines of entries in a matrix are called rows and columns, respectively. The size of a matrix is defined by the number of rows and columns. A matrix with m rows and n columns is called a m by n matrix, where m and n are called its dimensions. Go to next slide. A matrix with four elements is shown below. Example: A is equal to A11, next is A12, A21 and A22. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Next, consider A. A is a matrix with 9 elements is shown below. Where A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Here, next matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. Both 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3, here is square matrix. Go to the next slide. Real matrix. What is real matrix? A matrix with all the elements are real or real numbers is called a real matrix. This is an example of a real matrix, 3 by 3 real matrix. The elements are all real. The elements are 2, 3 and 9. This is the first row, and 4, 3, 2, this is the second row, and 6, 7, 1, this is the third row. And 2, 4, 6, this is the first column, 3, 3, 7, this is the second column, and 9, 2, 1, this is the third column. This is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Go to the next slide. Order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? The order of a matrix is defined in terms of its number of rows and columns. Order of a matrix is number of rows into number of columns. A matrix A previously given is therefore a matrix of order 3 by 3. This 3 by 3 matrix is called a square matrix. Go to the next matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix within one column is called a column matrix. Examples are 5, 4, 9. One example, this is a one column, 3 row and one column, that is 3 by 1 matrix. So column is 1. Row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix with only one row is called a row matrix. 3, 8, 9. This is a only one row and column is 3, that is 1 by 3 matrix. Go to the next slide. What is square matrix? A matrix having the same number of rows and columns, that is number of rows is equal to number of columns, is called a square matrix. 4, 3, 1, 6, 7, 2, 8, 5, 0. This is a square matrix. What is a rectangular matrix? A matrix having unequal number of rows, that is rows and columns are not equal, is called a rectangular matrix. 4, 6, 3, 5, 9, 2. Go to the next slide. Principal diagonal and trace of a matrix. In a square matrix, the diagonal containing the elements A11, A22, A33, A44 and continuing to ANN is called the principal or main diagonal. This is called the principal diagonal or main diagonal. The sum of all in the principal diagonal is called the trace of the matrix. The principal diagonal of the matrix is indicated by the red color elements. The trace of the matrix is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. So what is principal diagonal and what is main diagonal and what is the trace of a matrix? This is defined. Next is zero matrix or null matrix. When all the elements of a matrix are 0, that is a matrix whose elements are all equal to 0 is called the null or zero matrix. This is the null matrix. It is denoted by sometimes big 0 or big bold 0. Next is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? If all the elements except the elements of the principal diagonal of a square matrix are 0, the matrix is called a diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? All the non-diagonal elements are 0 and all the diagonal elements are difference 2, 3, 4. This is a number. Next is scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix whose principal or leading diagonal elements are all equal is called a scalar matrix. All the diagonal elements are equal. Leading diagonal or principal diagonal or main diagonals are equal and all other elements are 0. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. All the leading diagonal is 5. Okay. Go to the next slide. What is unit matrix? A square matrix in which all elements of the principal diagonal are equal to 1 while all other elements are 0 is called the unit matrix. Diagonal elements are all 1 and other elements are 0. For example, 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a identity matrix or unit matrix of order 2 I2 and this can be written as I3 or unit or identity matrix of order 2 and 3 respectively. They are denoted by I2 and I3. Next is equal matrices. Two matrices are equal if all corresponding elements are equal. That is if two matrices A and B are equal if Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. Here order of both the matrices are same. Corresponding elements in both the matrices are equal. Aij is equal to Bij, I is equal to 1 to m and j is equal to 1 to n. For example, two matrices, consider the two matrices 8, 4, 9, 4, 27 and 25 and 2 cube, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square are two equal matrices. Again, if we consider two matrices are equal and then their corresponding elements are also equal. Next is transpose of a matrix. What do you mean by transpose of a matrix? The transpose of a m by n matrix. A is the n by m matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. The transposed matrix of A is denoted by AT, A upper T. Thus, if A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 4, 7, 2, then transpose of AT is equal to 2, 4, 4, 7 and 3, 2. 2, 4, 3 goes to column and 4, 7, 2 row goes to column. Transpose of a sum, there is some properties. A plus B whole T is equal to AT plus BT. You can verify that. Transpose of a product, a B whole T is equal to B T whole T. This can be defined later. Next is multiplication of what is the multiplication process? How can we multiply two matrices? What is the process of multiplication? A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 and B is equal to 3, 2, 0 and 5, 4, 1. So the order of the first matrix is 3 by 2. So number of row is 3 and number of columns is 2. Here number of row is 2 and number of columns is 3. So first matrix, number of columns of matrix A is 2. Also the number of rows of the second matrix B also 2. First criteria for multiplication or product is number of columns of a first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. This is equal. So matrix multiplication is possible. Now the multiplication process is AB is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 3, 2, 0, 5, 4, 1. This is the two matrix. Now the multiplication is 2 into 3. This is 3 into 5 plus. That is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Next is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Next is 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Next is 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Next is 4 into 2 plus 5 into 4. Next is 4 into 0 plus 5 into 1. Next is 6 into 3 plus 0 into 5 plus 6 into 2 plus 0 into 4. Next is 6 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Now the summation of this is 21, 16, 3, 37, 28, 5, 18, 12 and 0. This is the product of the matrices A and B. Go to the next slide. This is a simple multiplication or product of two matrices, 2 by 2 matrices. Consider first matrix is 2 1 3 4 and second matrix is 1 3 4 5. So this is a 2 by 2 square matrix. This is a 2 by 2 square matrix. So the matrix multiplication is obvious. So the number of columns of first matrix is 2. Also the number of rows of second matrix is. So the matrix multiplication is obvious. Here the multiplication process is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 4. Next is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Next is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 4. Next is 3 into 4 plus, next is 3 into 3 plus 4 into 5. This is equal to 2 plus 4. Next is 6 plus 5. Next is 3 into 1 3. 4 into 4 16. Next is 9 plus 20. So 6, 11, 3 plus 16 19 and 9 plus 20, that is 29. This is the matrix multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices. So all about that. Thank you.